A heavy downpour in Mombasa caused flooding in parts of the coastal city, leading to traffic snarl-ups and flash floods in the town and surrounding areas.
It's been a bit of poor here in Nairobi as well, but the rains there in Mombasa, which started on Wednesday night, have rendered most of the roads impassable, disrupting normal operations in businesses as residents struggle to cope with the unbearable situation.
The heavy rains pounding Mombasa have once again become a nightmare to locals and motorists traversing the coastal city. They have expressed their disappointment with the situation, slamming the county government for failing to address the drainage problem, which they say is the main contributor to flash floods.
Sisi tumekwama kwa hii maji. Tuondoleeni hii maji Mombasa County.
Serikali ya county ifanye mpango ba. Tunapata tabu sana. Tunapotembea kuna mashimo. Mwenzangu ameingia kwa shimo, sasa hivi yuko hospitali.
The downpour also affected some residential areas such as Changamwe, Mikindani, Mishomoroni and even areas of Bombolulu, where in some instances residents were complaining of floodwaters in their homes.
Maji venye yako mengi, unashindwa utapata vipi matatu, kwa sababu stage ndio hiyo, maji yamejaa, na kutoka hapo kufikia hapo kwenye unaweza pata matatu ni
in some major roads, residents came together to control traffic, while others unclogged the blocked drainage to help ease the situation.
You can see the roads are flooded and there's nobody to control the situation. So we've just taken it up on ourselves. Even the staff, you can see all the staff are out there. They're the ones who are actually helping to clear the drainage and all.
Some pedestrians remained stranded as they waited for the rains to subside. But for the few who braved the pounding rains and floods, they had to wade through the raging waters.
Kuvukisha mtu kutoka hapa hadi ngambo ile ni pesa ngapi?
Kama 50 vile. Yeah.
Mmeshapata wateja wangapi?
Wateja kama 2 hivi. Yeah.
Na unatarajia kuendelea kufanya kazi hii hadi saa ngapi?
Tunatarajia kuendelea hivyo mpaka hadi mafuriko atakapoisha. Ndio tuweze kutulia.
The rains come days after the weatherman issued an advisory warning residents of Kwale, Mombasa, Kilifi, Tana River and Lamu counties of possible flash floods. Fishermen have also been asked to halt their operations in the sea due to high and raging tides. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.